Welcome back. I know it's been ages. I'll talk to you more about that another time. I want to get this filmed before my son comes home, and I have to stop filming. Jewlybox has redone their service. I never got them before. I actually tried, and it was in the middle of when they were having some fulfillment issues, and I decided to try them after the Fab Five did their little Nashville trip, and they have great discount codes for, so your first box is $30. Typically you get 3 pieces of jewelry. I wanted to show you mine because most of those guys picked gold, and I know they're using 24 karat gold plated jewelry for the gold jewelry, and I prefer silver, so I wanted to see that in person and I wanted to show it to you. So that's rhodium plated, which is, that would be how your higher end, a lot of your higher end sort of Kendra Scott costume jewelry kind of stuff is typically done that way nowadays rather than sterling. Not sure why. I haven't had a lot of trouble with it. I have several pieces that are that way. Let's just get into the box, and I really want to see what's in here, so let's just get into it. It comes in a nice big box. There was a card on top, like a little booklet that tells you about the women that the jewelry is named after, which is neat that I love the whole trend kind of thing, or thing that you're just seeing everywhere, of women supporting women. A lot of us grew up at a time when we all kind of backstabbed each other. That's just how we were raised, and that's not how any of us want to be, and it's not how any of us want to raise our daughters. So it's so awesome to see women supporting women, and women just, so they every month name their pieces after 3 women that they're excited about. So that's so cool. In your first box, you get an extra free pair of earrings. At least they were running that when I signed up. I don't know if they still are. So these are some druzy earrings, and I guess these are the 24 karat gold. My ears are not pierced right now. I need to get them re-pierced. So I got this knowing that there would be earrings in here because I really have been meaning to get it done. I think I'm actually going to go to like a tattoo parlor. It's a long story, but I let my ear holes close up about 15 years ago, and so I need to get it redone. But if you go to like just the place in the mall, they want to go way far away from where your original hole was. The jewelry itself comes in a nice box, which I've seen in other people's unboxings. Looks like this. And then inside we have 3 bags. It says, get it, love it, repeat. And their thing is that you will get 3 pieces every 2 months. I believe it's around $50, and you keep them. So that's kind of cool. And it seems like the quality is really on par with the brands that like Rocksbox would be carrying, but you get to keep everything. And the styles are a little more universal, like not so much statement pieces as pieces that you would wear in your everyday jewelry. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know if it's, I don't think my camera's probably not catching it. The chain just has a really nice shine to it. I don't think the camera will catch it though. Let me see if I can put this on. And it is designed so that you can wear this with the blingy side out, because each little piece, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. You have one side that has crystals on it, and one side, I think probably cubic zirconia, but I'm not sure, and one side that's just plain. So you can wear it either way. And it has this adjustable chain that you adjust by pulling it. So you can put it on. So it's like, it's easier for me to put jewelry on when it's long. Let's set it up so that I want the blingy side out. And then once it's in place, and I can't see the viewfinder, so you're seeing this before I am, kind of. So I can just pull it up to choker length, which is, this is like too short. course, I have another necklace that I just left on because I want to see how it works as a layering piece. Let's see how that goes. There we go. So there it is kind of a choker length, just layered with the piece that I already had on. And then there's a pair of earrings, and these are pretty. They're not really my style, but I decided to get the box anyway. I'll probably end up passing these along to somebody. They are pretty. They're very simple. They're kind of dramatic for how big they are, but they're not very heavy, so that's really nice for everyday wear. There's also a little bracelet in here. And these pieces are all exclusive to the box. They have their little Jewlybox logo on them there. And this is one of those kind of toggle clasp things. Again, like you see in a Roxbox type brands. Let's see if I can hold my hand so you can see what I'm doing. So it's actually possible to adjust it yourself. And that's just very nice and lightweight, but just a little bit of jewelry to make everything feel a little more pulled together. I'm really excited to see where they go with this. These pieces seem to be nice quality. I'm going to come back in about a month. I will have a Roxbox next month, and I want to be able to tell you how these pieces are wearing and kind of give you my thoughts about what each of the box's strengths and weaknesses are and who maybe they'd be good for, and maybe if you'd be interested in trying them. I promise I'll give you more of an update about what I'm planning to do with my channel soon. If you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, click subscribe below. See you soon. And I really actually mean that. The lighting is terrible, but these girls were so good. That gets rid of one of my excuses for not making videos, because they sure behave themselves.